How to check My Health Pays balance. I'm going to show you a few different methods you can check via the provider's app. You want to download and open the official mobile app for your healthcare provider, for example, Ambetter or WellCare. Log in with your account details and look for a section labeled My Health Pays or Rewards to view your balance. You can check via the provider's website as well. You want to go to the official website of your healthcare provider. Again, you got to choose your healthcare provider, log into your account, navigate to the My Health Pays or Rewards section to see your current balance and any available rewards. You can also call customer service. You can contact your health plan's customer service department to ask for your current My Health Pays balance. You can usually find the customer service number on your health insurance card or their website. And you can check via your rewards card. If you have a My Health Pays Visa prepaid card issued by your health plan, you can check your balance by calling the number on the back of the card. Logging into the card's online portal, this information is usually provided when you receive the card, or using the issuer's website to see your transaction history and balance. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.